done. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That is done. This little guy keeping me company. Look at him, little bearded dragon. He's cold. He's just chilling out there while I'm broken down. Yeah, she's done. I think we've done some damage here, guys. Well, after 4 years, the lowrider finally broke. What was it? Compensator or box? Let's find out. Well, how expensive is this going to be? I did originally set out to go for a long-term review of Harley Davidson Milwaukee 8. We got 4 minutes into the ride and that god awful noise. That's done. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. At the start of the video, I had originally thought why the noise was sounding was compensator sort of related, possibly even the crank scissored. I had no idea. I'm not a professional, it was just guessing, like a very small amount of educated guess. Anyway, organised trailer van to get the bike home, got the bike home, pulled the primary off. The primary's in good nick. The primary side looks fine. It's not that. The primary oil is beautiful. I've only just serviced it not long ago. The primary oil is great. No chunks, no glitter. The tension's fine. So ended up calling Al at Fearless Motorcycles, and he said, check the oil in the box. And sure enough, the box is seen better days. Drop the transmission oil, and it's the transmission. That's bits of my transmission. Should not be in the oil. I don't know if that can pick up that or not, but that's a big chunk. So, new box. That's the next steps to get this thing back on the road. So I've never done transmission box before. It's out of my wheelhouse. So I'm going to button up the primary side and then put on the trailer and ship it to Fearless Motorcycles in Adelaide. These are back to where it was originally built. They done all the cam and the clutch and the compensator delete and all that sort of stuff. So it's going to go back there, get a new box and then a once over. Make sure nothing else is broken. I'm capable of doing some things, but I know when I'm out of my depth. I'm just fortunate enough I have spares, so I still can ride, especially now that the sun's started to come back out here in Australia. The weather's getting warmer. I'm very fortunate enough to have choices. The lowrider's done well though. That's over 4 years of abuse. I've drag raced, I don't know how many tyres I've gone through, doing rolling burnouts and drifting and things like that. So it's done very well. I'm actually kind of glad that it is the box and it hasn't scissored the crank, because the box is kind of cheaper than a crank, which is what I thought it was when I heard the noise. You all heard the noise at the start of the video. It didn't sound healthy at all. This video was a lot shorter than what I had planned, but it's what happens. You got to pay to play. So get it fixed, get it back on the road. As usual, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.